Hey folks, Craig from Utopia here with this week's episode in our Build Tour series, and today we're going to take a close look at a very special PC indeed. A Ballista that you have the chance of winning. Yes, this gaming PC, capable of playing any game you can throw at it, could be sitting on your very desk. So let's get her into Windows so we can do the full tour. We have teamed up with Cooler Master, Aorus, Gigabyte and HyperX to celebrate the launch of our updated Ballista series of PCs by building this one-off custom Ballista, which we are now giving away. Inside the system we have a Gigabyte GTX 1050 Ti GPU with a 480GB HyperX Savage SSD. All the components have been housed in the simply stunning Cooler Master H500P chassis. 16GB of HyperX Fury RAM are fitted to an Aorus AX370 Gaming K5 motherboard alongside an AMD Ryzen 5 1500X CPU cooled by a Cooler Master MasterLiquid ML120L RGB liquid cooler. Powering the system we have a 550W Cooler Master PSU, at the front of the case we have two USB 3 ports, two USB 2 ports, as well as mini jack connectors for headsets and microphones. On the rear of this Ballista you will see the I/O ports for accessories and monitors. Now we've had a close look at this system, let's run a stress test. Our complete series of tests can take up to 72 hours to complete. Full details of our extensive testing process can be found on the blog linked below. For the purpose of this video, let's run superposition for one loop. We've sped this portion of the video up to keep things interesting, but as you can see this system is indeed ready to be carefully packaged and sent on to the lucky winner once we make the draw. To be in with a chance of winning this system, simply visit utopiacomputers.co.uk/win. And of course show some love to our wonderful partners, Cooler Master, Aorus, Gigabyte and HyperX. That's all for this video, thanks for watching and we'll see you guys in the next video. If you like this build then go and give it a like, feel free to comment below and good luck to everyone taking part in this competition.